Today we are going to learn the new chapter in mathematics part 2nd. Chapter 2nd, the chapter name is Pythagoras theorem. आज आपण इयत्ता 10वी गणित भाग 2 मधील चॅप्टर दुसरा पायथागोरसचे प्रमेय याचा अभ्यास आज आपण सुरू करत आहोत. सर्वात प्रथम आपण पायथागोरसचे प्रमेय आपण मागील वर्षी इयत्ता 9वी मध्ये अभ्यासलेला आहे. 30 60 90 त्रिकोणाचे प्रमेय, 45 45 90 त्रिकोणाचे प्रमेय. पण याची रिव्हिजन म्हणून आपण आज पाहणार आहोत. पायथागोरस थेरम, पायथागोरसचे प्रमेय. This is a right angle triangle ABC. The longest side of right angle triangle is the hypotenuse. Segment AC is a hypotenuse. Side AB and side BC form right angle triangle. Side AB and BC are said to be side of right angle form side. त्रिकोण ABC मध्ये अँगल बी 90 डिग्री आहे. म्हणजे त्रिकोण एबीसी हा काटकोन त्रिकोण आहे. काटकोन त्रिकोणामध्ये सर्वात मोठी बाजू कर्ण असते. आकृतीमध्ये एसी हा कर्ण आहे आणि एबी आणि बाजू बीसी मुळे काटकोन तयार होतो, म्हणून काटकोन करणाऱ्या बाजू आहेत. We have to see or learn the Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides. काटकोन त्रिकोणामध्ये कर्णाचा वर्ग हा उरलेल्या दोन बाजूच्या वर्गाच्या बेरजे एवढा असतो. In a triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Segment AC is the hypotenuse and side AB and side BC are right angle side. Therefore, by using Pythagoras theorem, in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse means AC square is equal to sum of square of remaining two sides. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is a Pythagoras theorem in a right angle triangle ABC. From the Pythagoras theorem, when given three natural numbers to satisfy the Pythagoras theorem, such three numbers are said to be Pythagorean triplet. पायथागोरसचे त्रिकूट तीन नैसर्गिक संख्या असतील तर त्या पायथागोरसचे त्रिकूट आहेत की नाही हे ओळखण्यासाठी तुम्हाला पायथागोरसचे प्रमेय माहिती असणे आवश्यक आहे. Pythagoras theorem is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of remaining two right angle sides. Then next part is a Pythagorean triplet. Pythagoras चे त्रिकूट. In a triplet of natural numbers, if the square of the largest number is equal to sum of the square of the remaining two numbers, then triplet is called Pythagorean triplet. म्हणजे तीन नैसर्गिक संख्या दिली असता सर्वात मोठ्या संख्येचा वर्ग हा उरलेल्या दोन संख्येच्या वर्गाच्या बरोबर असेल तर त्या तीन संख्या पायथागोरसचे त्रिकूट असतात. We have to learn the one example in the triplet 11 60 61. Three natural numbers are given. The square of largest number is a 61 square is equal to 3721. We get equation number 1. And remaining two side 11 and 60, sum of the square of remaining two numbers, that is 60 square plus 11 square. 60 square is a 3600 plus 121. Sum of these two number we get 3721. Equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, 61 square is 3721, and sum of square of remaining two numbers 60 square plus 11 square is equal to 3721. RHS side is equal. From equation 1 and 2 we can write 61 square is equal to 60 square plus 11 square. Hence satisfy the LHS side is equal to RHS side, means hypotenuse square is equal to sum of square of remaining two side. Therefore 11, 61, 60 is Pythagorean triplet. म्हणून या तीन संख्येला पायथागोरसचे त्रिकूट म्हणतात, कारण मोठ्या संख्येचा वर्ग हा उरलेल्या दोन संख्येच्या वर्गाच्या बेरजे एवढा आहे, आणि म्हणून 11, 61, 60 या संख्यांना पायथागोरियन त्रिकूट असे म्हणतात. Question number 1. Identify with reason which of the following are Pythagorean triplets. First, 3, 5, 4 या तीन संख्या पायथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट आहेत का ते आयडेंटिफाय करा. Square of largest number is a 5, 5 square is a 25. We get equation number 1. Sum of the square of remaining two numbers 3 square plus 4 square, 3 square is a 9 plus 4 square is 60 is equal to 25. We get equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, the value is the same, 25. Therefore 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. Hence given number 3, 5, 4 is Pythagorean triplet. Second one, example 4, 9, 12. Identify with reason given numbers are Pythagorean triplet. Then square of largest number is a 12 square is equal to 144. Equation number 1. And sum of the square of remaining two numbers 4 square is a 16 plus 9 square is 81. 16 plus 81 is equal to 97. From equation 1 and 2 the value is not same. Hence 12 square not is equal to 4 square plus 9 square. Hence given number 4, 9, 12 is not Pythagorean triplet. 5, 12, 13. Identify is it a Pythagorean triplet. Largest number of square is a 13 square is equal to 169. We get equation number 1. And sum of the square of remaining two number 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 25 plus 144 is equal to 169. We get equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 the value is the same. Hence from equation 1 and 2 13 square is equal to 5 square plus 12 square. Hence given number 5, 12, 13 is Pythagorean triplet. Property of 30, 60, 90 डिग्री ऑफ ट्रायंगल. 30, 60, 90 त्रिकोणाचा गुणधर्म किंवा 30, 60, 90 त्रिकोणाचे प्रमेय ऑलरेडी तुम्ही 9वीला अभ्यासलेला आहे. If acute angles of a right angle triangle are 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, then the side opposite 30 degree angle is half of the hypotenuse. And the side of opposite to 60 degree angle is √3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse. म्हणजे in if acute angle of right angle triangle, काटकोन त्रिकोणामध्ये त्रिकोणाचे कोण 30, 60, 90 अंश असतील तर 30 अंश कोणासमोरील बाजू कर्णाच्या निमपट आणि 60 अंश कोणासमोरील बाजू कर्णाच्या वर्गमूळात 3/2 पट असते. In a triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 30 degree, angle C is equal to 60 degree, and angle B is a 90 degree. Triangle ABC is a 30, 60 and 90 degree triangle. The opposite side of 30 angle is the side BC, and the opposite side of angle 60 degree is the side AB. 30 अंश कोणासमोरची बाजू BC आहे, 60 अंश कोणासमोरची बाजू AB आहे. Therefore, in a triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, angle A is equal to 30 degree, and angle C is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, by using the property of 30, 60, 90 triangle, then the opposite side of 30 angle is BC. BC is equal to half multiply AC. And opposite side of 60 angle is AB. Therefore, AB is equal to root 3 upon 2 times of AC. This is the property of 30, 60, 90 triangle. 30, 60, 90च्या काटकोन त्रिकोणामध्ये 30 अंश कोनासमोरची बाजू BC कर्ण AC च्या निमपट असते आणि 60 अंश कोनासमोरची बाजू AB कर्णाच्या वर्गमुळात 3/2 पट असते आणि म्हणून BC इज इक्वल टू 1/2 मल्टिप्लाय AC आणि AB इज इक्वल टू रूट 3/2 मल्टिप्लाय AC. Example, in a triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree, angle BAC is equal to 30 degree, angle BCA is equal to 60 degree, and AC is equal to 6 centimeter. Find BC and AB. Here AC is a 6 given. Therefore, in a triangle ABC, triangle is 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. By using property, the value of BC is equal to half multiply AC, half multiply 6 is equal to 2 3s are 6. And AB is equal to root 3/2 multiply AC is equal to root 3/2 multiply 6, 2 3s are 6. Therefore, 3 root 3. Hence, the value of BC is equal to 3 and AB is equal to 3 root 3. Property of 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree triangles. If acute angle of right angle triangle are 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, then each of the perpendicular side is 1/√2 times of the hypotenuse. म्हणजे काटकोन त्रिकोणाचे कोन 45, 45, 90 असतील तर काटकोन करणाऱ्या बाजू कर्णाच्या 1/√2 पट असतात. In a triangle ABC, this is a triangle ABC. In this triangle, angle B is equal to 90 degree, angle A is equal to 45, angle C is equal to 45. This is a triangle ABC is a isoscale right angle triangle. हा त्रिकोण समद्विभुज काटकोन त्रिकोण आहे कारण अँगल ए इज अ कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू अँगल सी. अँगल ए आणि अँगल सी कॉन्ग्रुएंट आहेत. एकरूप कोनासमोरील बाजू एकरूप असतात. AB is equal to BC. Side AB and BC are the perpendicular side. Therefore, if acute angle of right angle triangle are 45, 45, 90 degree, then each of the perpendicular side is 1/√2 times the hypotenuse. मग काटकोन करणाऱ्या बाजू कर्णाच्या AB बरोबर BC बरोबर 1/√2 times of AC. Here BC is equal to 1/√2 multiply AC and AB is equal to 1/√2 times of AC. म्हणजे काटकोन करणाऱ्या बाजू कर्णाच्या 1/√2 पट असतात. एक्झाम्पल पाहूया. In a triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree, angle BAC is equal to 45 degree, angle BCA is equal to 45 degree, AC is equal to 8√2 centimeter. Find BC and AB. Therefore, AC is equal to 8√2. By using the property of 45, 45, 90 degree, then AB is equal to BC is equal to 1/√2 multiply AC, 1/√2 multiply 8√2, √2 get cancel, 8 into 1 is a 8, BC is equal to 8. Similarly, AB is equal to 1/√2 multiply AC, AC is the 8√2, √2 get cancel, 8 multiply 1 is equal to 8, AB is equal to 8. Therefore, AB is equal to BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Example number 1. In a triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree, angle BAC is equal to 30 degree, angle BCA is equal to 60 degree, AC is equal to 14 centimeter. Find BC and AB. This is a given triangle ABC. Angle A is equal to 30 degree, C is equal to 60 degree, B is equal to 90 degree, and AC is equal to 14. Therefore, triangle ABC has 30, 60, 90 degree triangle by using this property of 30, 60, 90 degree. Hence, BC is equal to, BC is the opposite side of 30 angle, BC is equal to half multiply AC, half multiply 14 is equal to 7. AB is the opposite side of angle 60 degree, therefore side AB is the root 3 upon 2 times of AC. AB is equal to root 3 upon 2 multiply AC is equal to 14. 2 7s are 14. Therefore, AB is equal to 7 root 2. Example number 2. In a triangle ABC, segment AD is a perpendicular to segment BC. Angle BCA is equal to 45 degree, BD is equal to 5, AC is equal to 8 root 2 centimeter. Find AD and BC. This is a given triangle ABC. AD is a perpendicular to BD. In a triangle ADC, angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. Angle DCA is equal to 45 degrees is a given. Therefore, angle DAC is equal to 45 degree. This is 90, 45. Third angle is a 45 degree. Therefore, by using property of 45, 45, 90 degree, then AD is equal to DC is equal to 1 upon root 2 times multiply AC is equal to 1 upon root 2 multiply 8 root 2. Root 2 get cancelled is equal to 8. AD is equal to DC is equal to 8. This is the value of AD. Then find BC. BC is equal to ABD plus DC. Therefore, 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Write down. Today's homework. First example, in a triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree, angle BAC is equal to 30 degree, angle BCA is equal to 60 degree, and AC is equal to 16 centimeter. Find BC and AB. This is the figure in triangle ABC. Angle A is equal to 30, angle C is equal to 60 degree, and angle AC is equal to 16. Problem second, in a triangle ABC, segment AD perpendicular to segment BC, angle BCA is equal to 45 degree, BD is equal to 7, AC is equal to 10 root 2 centimeter. Find AD and BC. This is the figure ABC. AD perpendicular to BC, BD is equal to 7, AC is equal to 10 root 2. Problem number 3. Identify with reason which of the following are Pythagorean triplet. 1. 10, 24, 27. Second, 24, 70, 74. Third, 11, 60 and 61. To solve these three problems for homework. Okay.